Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you hear anything, because the front door's open and my husband's playing Middle Earth with a acquaintance. That's all I can say. So today I'm going to be doing my July favourites. I know I'm a bit late on this, but I'm sorry about that. It's just, I haven't been feeling that great. I'm still not feeling that great, but I'd wanted to get a video out to you guys, so here we go. So the first favourite is this Drench Zoella. It's a Drench bubble bath soak and I love the carton. I've used this a couple of times and it still feels like a lot. You don't need a lot in here, you just go whoo, and that's it, and it creates so many bubbles. I do like this. It smells nice. It gives your bath a really nice soft like kind of feeling, and I do like this as well. This is really good. So if you ever want a new bubble bath that creates lots of bubbles, try Lush or this one, because this one really does smell nice. The next thing is a Make a Splash Moisturising Body Wash. Now Zoella did one of these with her last year's summer collection, and she moisturising body wash in that collection as well. I think it's called Shower Cream, and I love that for shaving my legs, I love it for all of my body. It smells gorgeous. Oh, it smells really nice, and I shave my legs with this as well. This is a great product to shave your legs with. Any moisturising body wash that you find, get it. It's perfect to shave legs. You don't have to get shaving cream, just get some moisturising body wash and that's really good. Quench body sorbet. Now this smells gorgeous. You don't need a lot of this, and it absorbs into your skin and leaves your skin nice and soft and supple. This is what I love about this. It smells nice, but you just need to use a little bit because it does sink into your body. Normal lotions I use, they don't sink in straight away. You have to let them sit there you have to sit there and kind of wait until your body kind of sinks it in, and then it'll be good. This, you just put it on and it does sink. I do like that. I've used a lot of this. Here we go. As you can see, I have used quite a lot of it. It's only in a 45ml, but I wish you did like 100ml, I believe it was, for Christmas range. I've run out of that. I just need to get some more of that because it smells gorgeous, but it smells really nice. It's very fresh. It's just very fresh smelling scent that is really good. Next thing that I do love is saved my take off my makeup at night. It saved me such a lot, and nothing gets it better off than this. This is a face halo. It's in a black one and it has 3 face halos in there. I keep using this. These are soft and soft. They're just a little bit stained. You just have to wash them this way. I have to get some makeup remover or just some antibacterial soap just to wash it off, and they come out nice and soft. They get your makeup off really good. I then go in with, I just use this to wipe off my makeup, so I use this, and then I scrub my face, and then I come in, toner, moisturizer, and I'm done. It feels so refreshing just to get your makeup off with one step with water with this, and it comes straight off. If you want to see me get my makeup off with this, I will do a tutorial how to use it. Next favourite is something else as well. It's a lip oil. I don't have it on today. I have the Revolution Sophie X lipstick in syrup. Love the colour so much. This is a lip oil which smells like cherries. It smells so good. It smells really nice, and it does keep your lips very hydrated throughout the day. Then the other two ones is some shampoo and some conditioner. I've changed it up and I decided to go with Body Shop. These are the banana shampoo and conditioner. They smell so good. They smell like banana. Oh, they smell so good. They smell really nice, sweet banana. It just smells like the banana that is ripened for a few days. Oh my god, it smells so gorgeous, and I love these. I love them so much because they make my hair feel soft and very nice and very like it's washed, but they smell gorgeous. So I do love these products as well. They smell so good. It's just banana, Body Shop, and they smell gorgeous. I love them so much. Me and my husband have started to watch in July to August, the Comedy Roadshow by Mcintyre. Michael Mcintyre Comedy Roadshow on Netflix. It has a bunch of comedians on there. It is so funny. We are in stitches because each comedian has a different sense of humour. They have a different laugh for it, and I absolutely love that. It's just a really good one to. It's just really good, and me and my husband tend to laugh a lot. And it's, if you want to chuckle, if you feel like you don't really have a good day or nothing like that, just go into Netflix, type in Michael Mcintyre Comedy Roadshow and find it, and you will be in stitches. Trust me, it's funny as hell. I listen to all my music on Spotify. It is a great app. It's $9.99 for each month. So what I've listened to, Daily Bumps, I found like Brian Lanley, he's in Daily Bumps, had some albums out, and I absolutely love the song that I love it. It's called Scars, and it's in the album called Us. So I've been listening to that. I've been loving Brian Lanley so much. I've been listening to that one. I think that album tells you a lot about what happened during the time that they divorced, and it just hits me so much. It makes me sad, but at the same time it's just relaxing music that I love to listen to. Next one I've been listening to is Mamma Mia as well, the second one. I haven't seen the film. I really want to see the film, but I haven't seen it yet. This is the song called When I Kiss a Teacher. So that is When I Kiss a Teacher, the new Mamma Mia. It's in the new Mamma Mia film, and it's sung by Lily James. I love that because I've seen the music video for it so many times, and they're at school and they're just graduating. I find that is a really good song to listen to. But I do listen to this one. Okay, so that's the other song that I've been listening to. I like that song because it's upbeat and it gets you in the mood for dancing. I just love that song so much. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.